Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to perform a BIOS update on Dell 7320 Detachable. To do it, you need to be in the one-time boot settings, which if you don't know how to enter, they are included in the how to enter BIOS video on our channel. And when that's done, remember that instead of clicking BIOS setup after entering this screen, just click on BIOS update instead. And now it will ask you for the BIOS update file. So you should have a USB drive plugged in before you do that, and click on flash from file. Then select the file that you want to flash from and click on submit. Then it will show you the file here, the system version, revision, vendor, and may give you some options here as well. Then you'll be able to click on update BIOS. And remember that while updating the BIOS, you should not turn off your device, because it may literally break your device and break it. So it has to be plugged into power at all time so it doesn't run out of battery. And just remember to not turn off your device because it may break it. Or if you want to cancel the update, click on cancel update and it will restart your device. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.